Hey guys, let me show you the issue I'm dealing with in my fridge today. See these bins down here, the crisper drawers? All the slides have broken. Let me pull this one out and show you underneath here. Right there, you can see it's missing the other half. This is what it's supposed to look like, and I got this off of Amazon. Let me show you here. There's my orders, and then that's this piece that I ordered for my Frigidaire refrigerator. Right here you can see it's a upgraded lifetime appliance, has the OEM number, and it tells you that it's the lower crisper pan cover. Here it is again, upgraded lifetime appliance. And then there's all your pertinent information. There's a coupon, make sure you look for that on Amazon, and it's only $50. It's not a bad deal. This is what it looks like. You can go through all the pictures. It'll tell you all the benefits of it. This one's guaranteed to fit better. It's made in the United States. Perfect fit right here. Says a lot of them are slightly off. Not this one. It's perfect fit, easy to install, which is true. And then right here it shows you the measurements, which is important. Make sure you double check that. Upgraded mounting hooks, thicker lip for extra protection, an exact fit for easy installation. That's important. And then by all means, make sure it fits. These tells you which ones don't fit this model and which ones do. So this is the bottom shelf we're doing, and that is the part number, and I've already measured it out. It'll fit. These are the other two shelf brackets, and then the bottom crisper drawer that I have in my cart already. I just wanted to order one to see how it was going to work. Here's the fridge air filters for getting smells out of your fridge. We'll show you that at the end of the video, where to get them, how to replace them. Pull the drawer out here, take a measurement, show you how to do it. Just measure across the side, that's your width. Double check it on the page there. Make sure you're getting the right piece for your refrigerator. Right there you can see 16.5 by 16.5 on the bottom shelf. I had the wrong one pulled up right there. Inside to the right, you can also check and see what your model number is. Go to the website or to the manufacturer's site and look it up. There's the date it was manufactured. It was made in Mexico. Gives you your electrical information, and then also refrigerant information if you're into refrigeration repairs. You can take that model number, go to appliance site. Oh, looky here, we got Chick-fil-A sauce, we got garlic sauce, and then that's some white sauce right there. Delicious stuff. We're going to pull this stuff out and get down to it. There's the glass sitting on the half piece of frame. Lord only knows how it got like this. I guess the old owner's teenagers open all the drawers and just slam the fridge door into them until everything busted. This is how the fridge came when the house was purchased. Just pop that up, toss it away. Like I said, you can take that model number of your refrigerator and you can go to an appliance website or the manufacturers and get your actual part numbers. Here's the brand new whole frame that I got off of Amazon. So you can go to appliance site, get your model numbers and search it. Here is the back, and then that's the side supports. So it slides onto the back supports like that. I wish I would have showed it to you. Slide onto the back supports and then snap down on those side supports. It's pretty self-explanatory. You can see here the back right corner. I missed the support, so it's sticking up slightly and the glass is going to wobble here. I'll figure it out though. You can see that glass wobbling. It's not fitting properly. There's the problem. Easy fix, pull it out, put it on there correctly. Make sure Snap it down the sides. Slide the glass back into the frame. Perfect fit. While you got everything out, I thought it'd be a good idea to clean it. Doing a quick wipe down. You're fixing it, might as well make it look good too. Glass 2. You can see this crisper bin, how bad a shape it's in. That's why I got another one in the shopping cart on Amazon. Look at that. It's actually on the slides instead of laying in the bottom of the refrigerator. So at least there's enough left of that bin to actually work. Here's the other one, the middle shelf. You can see that the groove, it's completely busted. Look at that. So this one just sits on top of the glass shelf, and the meat drawer sits on top of the glass shelf. So perfect fit. The link's down below. Well, let me show you the refrigerator filter. These are like a charcoal filter to get the smell out of your refrigerator. I've already pulled it out. It's just a little paper filter like for your furnace in a frame. There it is. Just slides out. You replace it. Right here, you're going to see a phone number if you wanted to order directly from them, but just going to get mine on Amazon. This is where it goes. Up in the top left of my refrigerator. It just slides right in. And it even says right there, refrigerator filter. You can see here I just ordered the other parts. They'll be here soon, and I'll fix the